In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a lead in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, I'm here to guide you through each step of this process. So, let's jump right in. First, you're going to need to access HubSpot itself. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the HubSpot user guide. This is your go-to for any further questions you might have along the way, but I'll be guiding you step by step today to ensure everything is covered thoroughly. Once you're at the user guide, locate and click on the Settings option. This is typically found at the upper right corner of your HubSpot dashboard. Settings will be your command center for all things configurable in your HubSpot account. Think of it as the main hub where you can personalize and set up your HubSpot interface to best suit your needs. After you've clicked on Settings, your next target is to delve into Objects. This section is crucial because it's where you'll manage the various data structures that HubSpot uses, such as contacts, deals, and of course, leads. So go ahead and click on it. Don't worry if it looks overwhelming. We're focusing on leads and I'll guide you through each step. Now, once you're in the Objects section, your attention should be on the Leads tab. Leads are essential as they represent potential clients or contacts you've identified as having value. Click on the Leads tab to begin setting up your lead information and management preferences. This is where the magic happens. Setting up leads correctly will allow you to streamline how potential customers are tracked within the HubSpot ecosystem. As you click through, you might find yourself tweaking settings that affect how leads are captured, stored, and utilized across your team. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with all of these options to optimize how you manage your contacts and clients. Throughout this whole process, take your time to explore and understand each setting. Changes made here can significantly impact how you interact with your leads. It might be helpful to note that if you get stuck or want to learn more specifics about a feature, the HubSpot user guide and community support are invaluable resources where you can get additional assistance. So there you have it. You've now set up your lead settings in HubSpot, which is a vital step in managing your business's customer relationship management effectively. With these settings in place, you can now efficiently work with leads, converting more inquiries into valuable customers for your business. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to follow for more comprehensive tutorials and insights about using HubSpot. Until next time, happy managing!